Johnny, in a recent survey, 75% of people were concerned about the waste within the fashion industry. How can blockchain technology help?
Well, it's interesting. Blockchain technology has been used with other technologies like DNA markers, electronic product codes, radio frequency identification devices, near field communication, QR codes. And what they're all really trying to do is enabling manufacturers and retailers to be able to track and trace the various different organizations that clothes and garments go through in the supply chain, literally from sort of raw materials right through to the end buyers. So the end consumer is able to actually know where and how products are made, but also shareholders in these companies that are producing garments can actually have real proof and identification of the sort of ESG credentials of the clothing manufacturers. But this greater transparency, according to PwC, can actually dramatically help improve the trust that consumers have in a brand, and clearly therefore that's good news for brands. But increasing importance, what we're seeing is blockchain-powered platforms are actually building in some sort of audit and proof to help the garment industry and actually question the techniques and the way different things are being used. So, for example, the fashion industry creates something in the order of 92 million tonnes of waste, and 79 trillion litres of water is used every year, according to Nature.com. So it's easy to see that the impact that the clothing industry has on the environment and why we need accurate data in order to be able to change and improve the processes. And this is beginning to come through. We've seen a number of fashion companies that are using blockchain technology. There's a couple in Sweden, one called, I think, Flipper, and the other one's called Asket. And they're offering their clients much greater transparency. There's another company called Retraced, which is based in Germany. And that just recently won a sustainability award. And what they're trying to do is take away the prejudices and false accusations. And meanwhile, Big Brother, Big Blue, IBM, they've realised that there's a growing market for using blockchain technology. And in a recent study, they found that 77% of customers surveyed said that sustainability is important to them. And 57% of people said they're willing to change their purchasing habits to reduce the negative impact on the environment. So clearly having concise information is something which blockchain technology can help with.